First off, alcohol. It's no secret that excessive alcohol consumption is harmful to your health. But did you know that it's particularly damaging to your liver? Alcohol produces harmful toxins that can cause liver inflammation and scarring, leading to conditions like cirrhosis and alcoholic hepatitis. Next up is sugar. Consuming too much sugar, especially in the form of fructose, can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver. This can result in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition that's becoming increasingly common worldwide. Then, there's fried foods. High in unhealthy fats, these foods can contribute to obesity and consequently, fatty liver disease. The liver has to work extra hard to process these fats, which can lead to inflammation and liver damage over time. Salt is another culprit. While our bodies do need some salt to function properly, too much of it can cause fluid buildup in the liver, leading to swelling and impaired liver function. Red meat, while a good source of protein, can also be harmful when consumed in excess. It's high in saturated fat, which can contribute to fatty liver disease. Furthermore, the liver has to work hard to break down the proteins in red meat, which can lead to liver strain over time. Processed foods are another major enemy of the liver. They're often loaded with preservatives, additives, and unhealthy fats, all of which can take a toll on liver health. Certain supplements, like amphetamine, can also be harmful. Despite being marketed as a weight gain supplement, amphetamine is not regulated by the FDA. It contains cyproheptadine hydrochloride, a sedative antihistamine that can cause a host of side effects, including liver toxicity. Lastly, beverages like coffee and soda can also have detrimental effects on the liver. They're often high in sugar and caffeine, which can lead to dehydration and liver strain. As you can see, many common items in our diets can be detrimental to our liver health. But here's the good news. By being aware, we have the power to make healthier choices. So, next time you're about to indulge in that extra sugary treat or order another round of drinks, remember your liver. It's working hard to keep you healthy, so let's do our part to keep it healthy too. As you can see, many common items in our diets can be detrimental to our liver health, but by being aware, we have the power to make healthier choices. We've covered a lot today, so let's summarize the main points. The liver is your body's largest internal organ, playing an essential role in detoxifying the body, processing nutrients from food, and helping to fight infections. It's a tireless worker, but it's not invincible. Certain foods can damage it, leading to serious health issues. We've discussed how excessive consumption of alcohol can be harmful, leading to conditions like alcoholic liver disease. Remember, moderation is key. Even certain over-the-counter medications, if abused, can cause liver damage. Always adhere to recommended dosages and consult your healthcare provider if in doubt. We also highlighted the dangers of consuming undercooked or raw shellfish, which can potentially carry harmful bacteria or viruses, posing a risk to your liver. And let's not forget about processed foods, loaded with harmful additives and high levels of sodium, which can cause inflammation and damage to your liver over time. The unhealthy fats found in fried and junk foods can lead to fatty liver disease, a condition that is becoming increasingly common today. Reducing intake of these foods can significantly improve liver health. And remember, even too much of a good thing can be bad. Consuming excessive amounts of certain health foods, like grapefruit and green tea, can also pose a threat to your liver due to their interaction with certain enzymes in the liver. The key takeaway is that balance and moderation are crucial. It's also important to stay informed about what we're putting into our bodies. There's no one-size-fits-all diet, but being mindful of our choices and listening to our bodies can go a long way in supporting liver health. Remember, your liver is a vital organ, and what you consume can have a significant impact on its health. Make informed decisions, and your liver will thank you.